gently review an OC duration. I feel like it's like talking about my ex, because I did have a relationship with this one. Me and OC duration go way back. And don't get me started on a Pink Panther. Way back. Fun fact, Jeff Bezos owns this trademark right here, not OC. I've actually installed this shingle a lot, but today I'm not gonna try to sell you anything, just review it.
All right, today we're gonna review one of the most popular shingle in the market, Owens duration. I'll give you full disclosure. I used to install this product for many years. My company did Stormgroup Roofing. I sold my company in 2020, but I do have a special relationship with duration, and for the past 10 years, we always place them on top. So I'm gonna answer this question right away. Would I install this shingle on my house? Absolutely yes. But I do think there are better products on the market, and in a few minutes I'll give you my rating for 2026 for OC duration, and I'll show you what you can expect. So first of all, packaging always been awesome. It's kind of like double sealing, like you can see inside. So we just picked it up from local Menards here on the way. I'm gonna open it and show you what's inside, obviously. But for the packaging itself, nice and tight package. Pink Panther. So let's slice it open. So let's talk about pros and cons. Number one con for this product for me has always been quantity statement. It's actually how they call it on their packaging here. Quantity statement. Why is it statement? Sounds political, because it is a statement. So it says that one bundle covers 30.8, but if you do the math, 3 times 30.8 will get you like 92. But they also say the average shingle count per 3 bundles is 64. Math is not math, and never been for OC, unlike their competitors who did figure this problem out over the years. So 1 bundle of 20 and 2 bundles of 2022. Actually, I have seen OC bundles with just 18 shingles in them over the years. So it's doable, and I promise you it have been happening. So now think about this. Like if you get 2 bundles of 22 and 1 bundle of 20, you get a square. Roofers actually struggle with a waste a lot, because you're finishing a job, you're missing 1 of 2 shingles, and products like OC and a few other brands contributing to it, because even if you do have what's advertised, it's 98.4. It's not full square. So if a roofer sells the job at 22 squares and they're missing a couple, it's not only inconvenient, but it's also cost more money. It all adds up, right? You know, it's few bucks per job. I mean, these are not cheap. You're talking about $100. So if you miss 2, now a couple $100 for each job. You do the math. So inconsistency always been killing me. OC is a big company. They should be able to fix it, invest in your production, and make them all the same. Atlas did it, ICO did it, you can do it too. Now, let's talk about a few other things here. I like the packaging. They don't have installation instructions like Pepco did in the previous video, but they do have a barcode that you can scan here, and I like how they wrap it. Actually, wrapping is very good. So let's open it up. So packaging is awesome. You can actually see the granules do stick way better. And over the years, have been very consistent. They do better than other companies, other manufacturers when it comes to granule loss. Now, huge benefit to this product. OC always had superior nailing zone, very easy to see. I think that's why roofers love them. It's also been very flexible. So this product is actually class 3 shingles now. And you can see, because of the nailing zone, it doesn't break like I was showing you on a Pepco review last week. So it will crack, but you're not gonna see that hole, and it's way more flexible. So because of the nailing zone, it's gonna do really good on a pull test. I mean, there's a few products on the market that will do equally as good or better. ICO Dynasty beats it almost every time. One of the highlights over the years at IRE, we actually came to OC and we tested it against ICO, their booth, and they failed. So let's count how many we have here. 1, 2, 22. So this one is actually where we get 22. Overall, I would say I like OC. I would install it on my house. My rating for 2026 is 9.3. I love the packaging. I love the sure nail. I love the colors. Homeowners love the colors. One of the best color palettes and very consistent and a big brand. Don't have much negative to say besides, sizing and inconsistency. Roofers like it. I would definitely install it. Do we have better products? We do have better products, but this is your Camry. This is very popular for a reason. They can always improve the product. If you are an installer in the roofing space, comment below what you think about OC duration, but I do have my stamp of approval on Owens Corning Sure Nail, Owens Corning Duration, OC products overall, and OC as a company at all. What I don't like is sometimes they do have misleading advertising. This shingle will last 16, 18 years in my experience. It's not a 50-year product. They advertise as a 50-year product. I always push back. If you're the homeowner and you install something like this, no, your absolute max should be about 20 years. I'm talking about expectancy. In some markets, some mild climates, you might get 25, closer to 30 years, but Minneapolis, Florida, Tennessee, if you have winds, if you have different seasons, probably gonna be more than 15 years. Like your Floridas, when it's super hot in the summertime, it's 15, 16 years average life expectancy. Overall, great product for the dollar, and we're gonna keep reviewing them every single week. I'll bring you another product next week. Comment below what you think about this product. I would install it on my house, but I also will show you how it's stacked with other shingles on the market.